Yeah, on the night, the morning, the New Year morning.
Wagwan people, one of you do hope everybody doing good. Respect for tuning in to another video. And the mere fact so now see the video and I watch the video right now. Everybody live to see the year 2022. You see what I say? Yeah man, I'm wishing a prosperous new year. You see what I say? Hope great things unfold for you. You see what I say? And all I want to be a support the dancehall agenda throughout the year 2021. The support is much appreciated. You see what I say? I want to continue to support the channel in the new year 2022 just the same. You see it? Yeah man. So while everybody else have a good year, Jahshii start off the year on an unlucky mood. You see what I say, people? Yeah man, a very bad state right now. Jahshii, I wake up to this at 5 a.m. in the morning and we get to realize that the news already up on the media before that. So Jahshii made a post on his Instagram story tagging his location, making us know that he is in Santa Cruz. As you say, people, and you can see the handcuff on him hand. So one would have feel say yes, him there in the Santa Cruz police station in a lockup. Is it people? Not sure what transpired, but I think a day before or during the day yesterday, I did saw an ad from Jahshii promoting a party in Santa Cruz. So I'm not sure if at the party them hold him or while he was traveling to or from the party. Is it people? But yeah, at that one, I'm have the clipping to show now, but definitely the fans them feel like say the interview marked this man for life. Yeah man, them not gonna stop targeting him. And we see foot type run out with there and a big theme. Is it? And it just feel like everything unfold right now, people. And definitely the artist start off the year on a bad note. In a lockup. Is it the priest? So not sure by now if them release him. But yeah, people, Jahshii did went live from the Santa Cruz police station in a handcuffs, as one can see in the intro. And definitely I'm gonna check out the live, is what I say. So pre-wagwan.
Hello, sir? Yes? What do you want to know about him? No, they come to me. Yes,
JP 990.
maybe that I could go down tomorrow morning, sir. I mean, later because it's after 12 now, so maybe I'm tomorrow morning that. I'm going to stay here tomorrow morning. No, the person. Miss Brown, you have any bill of farm?
Yeah.
The person who walk up here. One over there.
So you never carry ID?
Yeah, I did it.
You carry ID?
No, I'm not his ID. I don't remember.
Film ID. If you did have film ID, you could have get him one shorty.
The person who bill must to have a light bill or water bill supposed to be in there.
I let the JP write a letter saying more. You have to get a picture come right now.
I know you not in though, understand me, you said to him, Miss Brown.
If you have a 50,000 and a JP, I will write you. If you don't pay that bill or water bill in your name, make the JP write a letter saying no, you are where you live.
Okay. So what about the land paper?
Eh?
You don't need land
I
title.
shall do this with take up the bike.
Alright.
Clock say him alright.
Okay. I don't say black in the night. I knew you were ready. And you have to go get him from the bank. You look.
You know, say, shit in yourself.
Make it shitty nice. When cool man them come, and we hear back a feedback from no Rocky Hill. When it's already going down there. Alright, go and come phone, but check yam phone. And to take it fling away.
Which one you came up, rock or one? Right. Where the room? Saturday.
See, I want to have more people in my carrying again. I want to carry more people in around the store. So around 3 or 4 somebody have come.
Move to your right, to your right.
Good.
Along close to you. What's the date of birth, Mr. One?
14 and
Happy New
Yeah, man, people. So, based on now, at 5 a.m. in the morning, that's the update with my phone. No? As women say, yeah, the fans them feel like say, yo, them a target him. And then you have some other people feel like say, yo, the ego I get to him, the hype, him can't control it. As women say, but people, the thing just look away now, the F up now. And time, like day by day, is like there's something new with Jahshii name involved. But anyways, people, stay tuned for the details. Definitely not gonna get the updates right. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like the video. Follow me on Instagram at Dancehall Agenda. And share the video so everybody can be aware just the same. I'm out.